main benefit is savings. Main benefit is that India is a very poor country. If a rickshawala, if a person is earning 400, 500 a day, he spends 200 to his family members. 300 lives in his pocket. Where he will go to save that money? If he goes to the bank won't open the account. He has to bring the guarantor and all that. If he is going to open my account, after earning 3-4 days, he comes in at night 10 o'clock. Yeah, I want to deposit in my account. Bank won't be open at that time. 6 o'clock is maximum, 3 o'clock is maximum, 4 o'clock is maximum. The bank will be closed. And one thing is more. A person who goes to open an account, in this Idea Micro, he can send money to any bank accounts, to any non-bank customers who is not an Idea customers, he can send to them. First of all, Idea Micro is giving us someone of a percentage to me. They are giving to us a percentage that there's an interest for me to, I have to be involved. Another is in future, what I think so Idea is also providing for merchant. A person is having money in his wallet, he goes to the merchant or money shop or any shop. He just go and buy something from there. He don't have to carry money in his pocket and pay. Just transfer his amount to his wallet, to the shopkeeper's wallet. Then one of my customer was a rickshawala. I went to his house and tell him this is a facility. He could not believe it. Then I pursued him a lot. Then first of my account was open. He came to with 100 rupees. He could not believe that. No, it can't happen. This is not a facility. You are cheating with us. I'm going, no, I'm not cheating with you. When the account opened, it took about 15 days to full functional account, activate the account. After this 15 days, he was satisfied. No, I'm saving my money a lot.
बेहतरीन सर्विस है आइडिया माई कैश में। मेरा कहीं भी अकाउंट नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने आइडिया माई कैश में अकाउंट खुलवा दिया। मैं सब्जी बेचता हूँ, ठीक है सर। सब्जी बेचने में जो पैसा बचता है दिन भर का, अपना खर्चा निकाल के मैं उसके बाद बैंक में डालता हूँ, आइडिया माई कैश में डाल देता हूँ शाम को।
आइडिया माई कैश से हमारे लिए लगता है कि कुछ बहुत बड़ा चीज़ आ गई है। हमारे लिए सारी चीज़ें, हर एक सुविधाएं जैसे महसूस होता है कि अब सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। पैसा भी आसानी से हम अपने के लिए मुंबई भेज सकते हैं, और आसानी से अगर हम मार्केट में है, घर किसी से बात करना है, रिचार्ज वगैरह ख़त्म हो जाता है तो वो जो है कि आसानी से हम रिचार्ज भी कर देते हैं, एक कॉल का मिस कॉल कर दे देते हैं। तो हमारे लिए तो सब कुछ उपलब्ध हो जा रहा है। और पैसे लेना भी, अगर हमारे पॉकेट में पैसा भी नहीं है, अगर हमारे अकाउंट में पैसा हम एडवांस रखे ही रहते हैं, तो उसमें आते हैं रिटेलर के पास, वो जो है कि उनसे बोलते हैं और वो दे देते हैं पैसा भी हमको। ये सारी सुविधाएं हमको मिल जाती हैं इससे। तो ये सब लगता है कि अब कुछ नई उपलब्धि यहाँ पे आ चुकी है। इससे ये लगता है कि अब हम लोग भी कुछ आगे के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं, ऐसा महसूस होता है।